Talofa and welcome back, family and friends. I alofa ako kako voiceover nga ole find my copyright to the YouTube like it's my fault. Anyway, we're at the base, the military base here in South Korea. We're just heading to the bowling arena, Faisimako Bowling Center. Faisimako outing for the day. Yeah, mako wo mai wa ai o ko se ngau ngau le whenga winga makaka. So it was really nice to have the place all to ourselves. I think people started coming like later. That was good. Yeah, so mako lo ura mai mako nachos. See if I kasi ma ngai au lele o nachos nga maua. Yeah, I mamako drinks and pizza. And then mako spend time there like o famako bowling lelo po nga win makaka. Anyway, and then the next day mako wole piang te kile move. Fai mako whakau le lai pu e mai aka I actually took these videos of Apokisawa i New Zealand koe mawhau whawai, but I'm telling you, man, South Koreans love their pastries. They wai me isi ono akili i hot dogs here. Like what? So good. There is the cheese bread that I wanted. So yeah, here we go. I think what footage there. Yeah, Lily, a little cheese bread there. Oh god, I be mase farm wang panway. Oh, cause Lily, really nice, and the brownies. Oh my god. And then we went to this one of the shops in the mall. The kids love those sort of stuff. And then yeah, so that's the view from the foyer. I think that's what you call it. Yeah, ole mall. Yeah, o la aloi fafo. Yeah, ke kuku ai maka ma take it all in the beauty of South Korea. Because you don't see stuff like this back home, you know? Yeah, and then the kids wanted to try that potato stick thing, and they said it was so good. Anyway, so that was it for our shopping. I spent all day to bring home, to bring back with us to New Zealand. A lot of treats, a lot of clothes. Going to Macca's in South Korea. This is what the kids wanted for lunch. They wanted Macca's, and I was super excited to try South Korea's Macca's. It was definitely 10 out of 10. It was so good. I only like a McDonald's, like a view. Today's Friday, and it's literally our last day here in South Korea. We're on our way to the golf course. My sister, my brother-in-law, my niece and nephew, they all play golf, and this is their community and really lovely people. We got to meet some of them, and they're just really nice. Some of them shouted us free food, but they were excited and, you know, yelling out. I was super excited to see them because they've been missing in action since we arrived.
Oh,
Yeah.
you can see the by my
Mako wode the convenience store call, yeah. Mako me call, yeah.
Try the banana sugar stuff? Yeah. That's banana. They have this never.
That's it, what are you taking? Oh yeah. Musubi. That's me. Hey Veronica.
Yeah, no, yeah, for.
me. I'm having the what do you call these, Monica?
Onigiri.
Onigiri. Having onigiri for breakfast. It's like musubi, but
It's Korean.
it's a Korean musubi. I've got tuna.
Tuna mayo.
Yeah.
There's a bulgogi one too.
Mmm. Okay. Mmm. Very nice.
Josh, you want me to give you I got it, Vicky.
I'm in a way.
Right. Onigiri for it. What did you say? Onigiri. Onigiri.
My house. Yeah, lo mako I le rest area le ako le rest ay kaavale. Yeah, malanga mamau. What's up? Here vai le kau whaaola ku si mea le o wale kaunga kaa se fu. O pele maka. Here we go. There will mako drive my a Paradise City. It is in Incheon, close here Malay Valley. So le koigiki about 3 hours before we have to check in. Mako mai lola ia whaise mako ka whaunga lai kiki maka e lesi fo'i mea e lawi loa ai fo'i ia South Korea, which is this place. Apparently it's quite well known, Paradise City. Yeah, wherever I kasi au lelei. Alo enta mai ko kongo I gele mea e alua ia, you know, that's worth capturing, and a lot of securities. O kangi skula ki e kuku solo malako afoi malako suki lelei. Yeah, baba ai lelei ai po ai e tilanga se mea yo. Wow. Oh.
And I'm just like,
Ya loa kau whai aku le 360 e whaasinga langa lai fi alu nei fua.
who likes the sound of record?
When I miss a lot.
Ngala. Ba kalia pela isole.
I didn't expect this stuff.
Ya, tatou whau tai lai ai le. Mama le leile a moa. Le pawane kankale ai alanga moa. Paftai lava. Aula isa mat whanau. Yeah, le moke kuku fafo I just outside o le fafo mai au le Paradise City. Pu e aku ai ia buildings ia. E se a whakakawa ai whai ka I ngi me wha pēo. We're here to catch a train to go to our gate.
Take train at opposite.
Yeah. That is the end of our trip here in South Korea. Loa mako ako I le train mo ke o le mako terminal. I le mele le mako gate. E depart I le mako va'alele. Ka fiusa vali o ka se malai va'alele. But anyway, thank you so much, South Korea. Thank you, my sister, my brother, niece, and nephew. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far. Bye.